Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are happy and well. So in today's video, box painting ideas. Friends, rocks are like little canvas from nature with a few colors and brushes. You can turn them into beautiful piece of art. You can paint flower, trees, or landscape on rocks, bright sunflowers, soft roses, or simple green leaves look amazing on nature stone. Rock painting is simple, affordable, and a fun way to add creativity to your home, decorate, or garden. Every rock you paint become a small piece of nature beauty with your personal touch. Rock painting is not only for decoration. It is also full of fun. You can paint cute cartoon faces, animals, or smiley critters on small stones. Imagine little ladybug, bees, or fish paint on smooth rocks. These colorful designs make children happy and playfulness to your home. You can also write small positive words like laugh, hope, or smile on rocks to spread positive. Every day is simple but so meaningful. Garden decoration with the rocks. Paint rocks are a perfect decoration for garden. You can use them to mark plant names like rose, mint, or basil. You can also paint stone with bright color and pattern, then place them around flowers, birds to add beauty. Or rocks with a butterfly design, another with a rainbow, or one with a star at night. All makes your garden feel more alive. Nature plus art is always a perfect match. One popular rock painting area is mandala design with small dots or lines. You can create a colorful circle pattern that look very elegant. You can also try geometric shapes, tribal design, or traditional patterns on stone. These paint rocks make beautiful gifts, paperweight, or table decoration. The part is great design. The best part is every design is unique. No two rocks are ever the same.